Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Kia Soul PS. This car is using the M6CF1 6-speed manual transmission. The drain plug is on the bottom of the transmission and the filler plug is on the side. This is the drain plug right there. And the filler plug and level plug, they're the same. It's here on the front of the transmission. I'll show it to you now in a second. It's located right there. So you fill the oil through there, and once it starts flowing back, then that means that the transmission is filled to the maximum level. Again, this is the drain plug right there, and the filler plug and level plug is here on the front of the transmission. It's right there. Next, I'm going to start draining the oil. This is the socket that I'm using, size 17 socket. I'm going to drain the oil and then I'm going to fill the new oil back in. Before I drain the oil, first I'm going to loosen the filler plug so that I'm sure that after I drain the oil I'll be able to fill it back in. And now I'm going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Once all the oil is drained, I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Before I start filling up the oil, first I'll show you the oil specifications for this transmission. The oil grade is 75W85 GL4 and the capacity is 1.9 liters. Next I'm going to remove the filler plug and start pumping the new oil in there. This is the oil that I'm using to fill up the transmission. The transmission will get about 1.9 liters of oil. And this is my syringe that I'm using to put all the oil in there. I'm going to put my hose into the filler hole and I'm going to put the oil in. Once the transmission is filled to the maximum level, oil will start flowing back from the filler hole. Once oil starts flowing back from the filler hole, then we can remove the hose and put the filler plug back on and tighten it. We continue to put oil until oil starts flowing back from the filler hole. Like I said, the oil capacity for the transmission is 1.9 liters, so around when you put in around that amount, oil will start flowing back. Here you can see oil started flowing back, but I'm going to put in a little bit more just to make sure that it's at the maximum level, and then I'm going to put my filler plug back on and tighten it. Here you can see oil started flowing, so I'm now going to remove the hose and put on the filler plug. Once it's flowing like that, that means that the oil is to the maximum level. And that's how you replace the transmission on this car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.